Here are 15 makeup hacks that can help save time, enhance your look, and make application easier. Number 1. Use a spoon for perfect winged liner. Place a spoon along your lower lash line to create the perfect angle for a winged eyeliner. Use the edge of the spoon to guide the shape. Number 2. Turn your mascara wand into a brow brush. Clean an old mascara wand and use it to groom and fill in your eyebrows with powder or gel. It gives a natural feathery look. Number 3, mix your foundation with a moisturizer for sheer coverage. If you want lighter coverage, mix your foundation with a bit of moisturizer to create a tinted moisturizer effect. Number 4, use concealer to prime your eyelids. Apply concealer to your eyelids before eyeshadow to make your colors pop and help them last longer. Number 5, set your makeup with a setting spray and then powder. Mist a setting spray on your face before applying powder. This will lock in your makeup while giving it a natural finish and help prevent the cakey look. Number 6, use white or nude eyeliner on the waterline. Apply a white or nude eyeliner to your waterline to make your eyes appear larger and more awake. Number 7, highlight your inner corners with a shimmery shadow. Dab a shimmery shadow in the inner corners of your eyes to brighten and open up the eye area. Number 8, use translucent powder to set your lipstick. Apply a layer of translucent powder over your lipstick to make it last longer without drying it out. Just lightly dust the powder on with a brush. Number 9, use lip liner for full lips. Overline your lips slightly with a lip liner, just outside your natural lip line to create the illusion of fuller lips. Blend with a lip brush for a seamless look. Number 10, use baby powder as dry shampoo. In a pinch, apply a small amount of baby powder to your roots to absorb oil and give your hair volume. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.